chocolate brownie mix. So first you want to get your mug, which we have given to you, and just cut off the end of one of the packets and pour that into your mug. Then you want to take 2 of the sachets, which is about 15 grams, and put both of them into your mix. My butter, I just held it in my hands for a little bit so it goes a little bit soft and it's easier to mix in. Then you want to take 2 tablespoons of milk and pour it into your cup. Like that. And then mix it all up into a smooth paste. I have this tiny little whisk, as you can see, that I'm going to use, but you can use a spoon, a fork. Then once it is looking a bit smooth, a bit like that, place it in your microwave. Let it cool for a minute or 2 afterwards, and then you can add ice cream and eat it, or you could just eat it plain, whatever you fancy. My brownie takes 60 seconds, but if you're doing a different recipe, it might take a little bit longer, so just check your box to be sure. That has been 60 seconds. Let it cool, just so you don't burn your mouth, and then you can go right ahead and eat it. I hope you all love it.